Ooh la la, who do we have here?
Hello po.
Truly a great opportunity. Thank you for having us here.
Of course, pero grabe, it's been a year. We have so much to talk about.
Indeed, a year had already passed na pala ever since noong kumalat ang pangalan ninyo dahil lang sa false accusation towards you guys. Kumusta na kayo ngayon?
Life is better when we have each other.
Sarap kasamang Clover.
Opo nga eh. Well, life's been so good to us lately, although we're still adjusting as how things have turned out.
Anong pumapasok sa isip ninyo whenever nagpa-flashback lahat na nangyari nung araw na iyon?
Realizations. Magmula nung mangyari iyon, marami kaming na-realize about ourselves and the world we live in.
Dapat nga pala talaga tayong hindi agad makampante sa mga paniniwala natin and how we view the world, especially in our state now that our lives are exposed to the public.
Yeah, kasi like us, marami na rin ang naging biktima. Some of the social media users kasi believe in a source that couldn't even justify their stand.
So what comes in your minds whenever you get notified about people who keep on settling for uncertainty sa mundo ng social media?
To be honest, kulang kasi tayo sa education when it comes to dealing with unreliable sources and information.
But at the same time, hindi rin kasi natin maiiwasang hindi agad matukoy kung sino o ano ang totoo at hindi.
Katulad ng ex-boyfriend ko.
Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted, dapat dekalidad. Unilab yan. Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, siguraduhin mo na. Unilab yan. Unilab yan. Pagbibili ng gamot, siguraduhin mo na. Unilab yan. Unilab yan.
Trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan.
So tell us, detectives, how can we identify if the so-called facts presented to us are inaccurate or not?
Sources that are non-credible are those that lack basic relevant facts and qualifications about that certain subject po.
Some articles being posted na nagpapakita ng biased contents to persuade rather than mag-inform sa mga reader.
Also, may authors din who rely on sensationalism, only in the sense na nagpo-focus sa mga chika, especially sa showbiz, na sa tingin nila ay mas nakakaangang pansin for the readers.
I see. There are some sources about your band that are not credible. Meron ding credible. So, how did your fans know if an article about your girl band is credible and actually related to your whatabouts in real life?
Experts ang nagsusulat ng articles about us, trusted reporters, fan bias, and organizations.
Yes, may provided proofs na po about sa stated whereabouts sa bawat article about us.
Oops! Ilan sa mga nakikita kong pinopost recently ay yung pictures natin from our trip sa Indonesia noong 2020 pa. So, I suggest the fans should check for the dates first too.
Let me guess, pinupuntahan kayo sa kung saang lugar masabi na andoon kayo, no?
Yes, syempre, may part din sa amin na nagigilty kami. But media is media. You know, hindi natin hawak ang galaw ng bawat isa. So the best that everyone can do is find out kung credible nga or not before believing.
Point. Well, what can I say? You won't be recognized as the best girl band in this country for nothing.
Humble lang.
Siguro nahirapan kayo makawala sa issue na idiniin sa inyo with the press and everything. Paano nyo na kayang makalabas at malampasan yun?
Well, we've had our lapses, pero sa pagdaan ng araw, sa pagkasanay na din namin.
Hanggang sa, ayun na, gumising na lang kami na mahal na ulit kami ng mga tao.
The public fought for us.
They showed the world the truth when misinformation couldn't.
Kaya, next time, if they want to link accuracy to every source in connection to our whereabouts, suriin muna nilang mabuti.
Because people should know better. Karamihan sa mga nasa mundo ng social media, hindi pa masyado alam kung paano ang sistema at pagtakbo nito.
Everyone should do better.
Yun nga sabi ko. Oo nga, edi credit sa'yo. Good example, credited ang rightful owner.
Bagong biyak na buko, ang sarap nito, Nesfruta buko, why not?
Coconut.
Buko masarap, made with real fruit juice, Nesfruta buko, why not? Coconut. Buko masustansya, rich in vitamin C, Nesfruta buko, why not? Coconut. No artificial color, real na real. Kitang real, lasang real na buko. Nesfruta buko, real na real ito. Also available in mangosteen.
Anyways, ano ang mapapayo ninyo sa mga taong maaaring nararanasan na rin ngayon nung naging karanasan nyo noon?
Ano nga ba?
This will benefit everyone kasi hindi lang dapat yung may mga karanasan ang makaalam, kundi lahat.
It's better to be safe than sorry, girl.
They should first check kung sino ang nag-publish ng source at kung kailan ito ni-publish.
Avoid random blogs or pages kasi probably po ay spam accounts ang nagmamanage noon.
Make sure to fully read the article's content, mind before sharing or reposting it to your social media accounts.
Goodbye, Enervon. Kasi ang dating Enervon, nagbago na! All new best ever Enervon! Enervon Z+! Now powered with zinc, B-complex plus more vitamins. Helps give more healthy energy, 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 energy! Plus more layers of defense, kulang panlaban sa sakit. Hindi lang better, all new best ever Enervon! Enervon Z+!
Oh, in accordance to the article, check its presented image rin po or video. AI can sometimes be confusing nowadays.
Her point is, it is to see if the image roon is old or taken from a different event. Watch for signs of editing then as videos can be deepfaked or edited.
Well, this was a good catch-up. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and knowledge regarding this matter. We'll keep in touch. The internet is as useful as your self-control. This is me, this is E, and this is Aye. Taking off.